In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image slider in GoHighLevel. This tutorial will guide you through each phase, ensuring that you can easily add a dynamic image slider to your website. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by accessing the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all of your website-related activities. Once you're there, look for the Websites option. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can create or edit the various websites you're managing. Websites, as you likely know, are crucial for showcasing services, promotional content, and of course, eye-catching visuals such as an image slider. Next up, find and click on the Real Estate Consulting page or the equivalent project you're working on. This is where we'll implement the slider. Once you're in, look for the Edit button. Clicking this will open the Page Builder interface, enabling you to make changes directly to your website's design and structure. Editing gives you the flexibility to tweak, add, and optimize any existing elements on your page. It's a crucial step for ensuring your image slider aligns seamlessly with your website's design. Now direct your attention to the Highlight section. Clicking on this part is essential because it often indicates areas of focus or pre-designated spots where you can easily add new elements like our image slider. In the Elements section, a whole new world of design possibilities opens up. This is your playground for creativity, where the image slider component can be found and added to your web page. Here you can mix and match different components until you find the perfect balance that meets your design needs. After choosing the necessary elements, you will need to highlight them again. Usually highlights are used to indicate focused elements waiting for further customization or actions. This repetition ensures precision and that you're working on the correct part of the page. Don't rush this step. You want to ensure everything is set up just right. Finally, keep your changes consistent by once more clicking on the highlighted components. This ensures all your elements are correctly in place and any changes or additions have been successfully integrated. Revisiting these highlights acts like a final check of sorts to confirm the slider's placement and functionality fully align with your web page's aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully created an image slider in GoHighLevel. This dynamic feature is now a seamless part of your website, ready to attract and engage visitors with visually compelling content. Use these same steps the next time you want to enhance other pages with interactive, engaging sliders. Happy creating!